DIY in 5 minutes, 5 looks.
Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and welcome to this special episode of DIY for eyes. So this is a festival special and I want to share small little tips of eye makeup. So how you can, even if you don't do rest of the makeup but your eyes, you do your eye makeup in a very different ways, it will give you a different look. So I hope you're going to enjoy this. So welcome to Happiness with Hema. So look number 1. So you just take any kajal pencil. This is my Sephora pencil, which is long lasting kohl, and it's a very handy, very cheap, not very expensive, and very good brand. So you can just take a pencil and with that, just with the open eye, look in the front and just fill up the corners. Just the corners. You see, with the corners, when you fill up, it starts already giving a beautiful look. So I've just put kajal on the corners. So focus only on the corners, not the center portion. And then after that, I just take one flat brush like this. Flat brush like this, and with any flat brush, and then with that, just spread it a little bit. Blend it nicely and make a nice little wing kind of like this. So this one, and now from the middle, drag it towards your inner corner of the eyes. Spread that only. You see, with a simple cornered look. Now this one also I'll spread and show you the same way. Slight one, and the corners just do the little bit of this. See, so this gives a very nice and simple look. So in just a second, you can just create this look. So this is the first look, and now the second look. The second look, just don't touch anything here and just to the upper eyelid. Other eye also, just do the upper eyelid. So either you can, you can take any flat surface and pull it like this, and then fill this. Or you can just, if you're very expert like me, you can just do like this. This is your second look. So that gives a little filler look as if you have done already your eyelashes. And now third one is, you take the lower waterline and then you fill it there. This one. So you're just doing it inside the water line, not outside the water line. So this is going to give you a different look. Now the fourth look. In the fourth look, what you're going to do is you're going to fill it down here. So you will fill it up here, just the corners, and you will not go deep inside, just here, and then you will blend it. Just fill till here and then rest inside, blend it with the brush, with the whatever left over. So this is your, and from the corner also try to match it with the upper one like this. So you see the difference between this eye and this eye. So I fill this one also, and then I show you what will be the, so this already giving a, a bigger eye look, and this is, you see, so you can see the difference this way and this way. So now I'll fill this also. Now you see this, both the eyes are now looking bigger. So this is the final look. Now the next look is, in that you will just do the whole smoky up here. So you will fill it till the edge and make it a little more thicker, and after that you will blend it with the same brush we are blending. You see, you can see the difference. Right now I'm blending and I'll show you the difference. Basically you have to make a nice, very thick line here and then a little thinner here, and you can see the difference now. Now my look is like very fuller, classical. You can do it with a classy traditional wear. So you can see the difference between this eye and this eye. So I'll do this eye also and show you again. You just make it more thicker from here, from the corner again. So I take more base on the thick side, the corners, and then thin line towards the inner edge, and don't make the, you don't have to make the point, it will create with this only, and then blend it. See how I'm blending? Just blend it lightly with a very light hand. Take your time on blending, because blending makes the eye look or any makeup very beautiful. So now I'm like, see, pushing it little up back side for the point, for the wing. Now see, that's your, so you can go gradually how you want, more loud, you want a little slight. So you can just choose what kind of makeup you want to do. So just a quick revision.
Just with the help of one kajal pencil, we can create so many looks. Well, if this is not sustainable styling and fashion, then what it is? Just add few tricks and tips and you can create these many looks, from subtle to heavy. Every look gives a different dimension to your face. First look was just apply kajal pencil at the edge of your eyes and blend it with the brush. More focus towards the corners and very less inside. And this is the final look you achieve.
The second one was just inside
the upper lid with the help of finger or with some back of the brush. You will lift your eyelid, or if you have a good practice without lifting, you will apply the kajal inside. This technique will give you this kind of a filler look. This gives the illusion of a very heavy eyelashes. And the third look was inside the waterline, the lower lid. You'll apply kajal nicely, and this is a beautiful, subtle, glamorous look it creates. And the fourth look was, now this time outside the lower lid, apply kajal and then blend it with the brush. This technique gives a very nice filler look to your eyes, and this is the final look it creates. And then last look was, apply kajal on the outer side of the upper lid, bit thicker from the outer and thinner from the inside, and then blend it very well, making a nice wing outside. So you can create different look, because every look gives a different dimension to your beautiful face and enhance your features in a very different way.
So I hope you like all these looks and you will try these looks. Do let me know, show me if you are with me in Instagram. Do share your looks with me and send the pictures, and so that I can appreciate whether you have learned it properly. So one more tip before I say goodbye, so that your kajal stays for whole day long fresh. Because people ask me, keep on asking, how Hema, your makeup doesn't go here and there, it just remain, because I set them. So setting is very important. So what you do is you take any fluffy brush and take any compact powder, like loose powder or compact powder, and make sure that before doing the kajal or even after doing the kajal, just take a dab of it, very little bit, just little bit, not too much, and then just okay. This way your kajal is not going to smudge. So do it here, do it here, and do it up here. Very little bit, less is more.
So you just have to take bit in a corner and side. And second tip is with your flat brush, make sure you set your kajal also. So take brown or black, any color, eyeshadow color, and set your kajal also, your liner.
This way this liner is not going to smudge anywhere, and then here also. So like you have done it with the first pencil, and then you have done it with this powder, like this your eyeshadow powder. So it sets well there and it remains fresh for whole day. It will not smudge here and there, and you don't have to do any touch-ups whole day, trust me. So this is a very nice tip. I hope you like it and you are going to try. And as I said, share your looks with me. I will be very happy to see that. And do let me know how you find this video and what all videos in future you would like to see, because I love to share whatever I know a little bit. So this is also one sustainable way. Just with one pencil you are doing so styling your eyes with different, and do try different looks for different occasions, because that really gives you a different it enhances your features in a different way. So do try that. And very soon I'll be coming up with a fitness how to keep yourself fit, that video. So stay tuned for that also. I'm very excited for that, because one of my friend is also joining, and that's like a little elderly friend. So I hope you will like it. So stay tuned for that, and till that time we meet again. Stay happy, stay positive.